ఇప్పుడు సీఎంఏ మెంబర్ అయితే మనతో ఉన్నారు కాజా జలాలుద్దీన్ గారు. సో వారిని అడిగి మనం మరిన్ని వివరాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. సార్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
Good evening, madam.
హౌ యూ ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్ 60th ఫార్మేషన్ డే అండ్ దిస్ డైమండ్ జూబ్లీ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ అండ్ అబౌట్ ద సీఎంఏ?
See, I will start the journey like this. CMA was 60-year formation day. So exactly CMA means cost and management accountant. Where what our role? Our role include to a manufacturing company. Because what happens whenever company produce any kind of a new product, they want their costing. For example, that you are taking this like with the camera, video. So the costing is done by the cost accountant. What kind of a material we are using? If you imagine that the product has been launched, so in that way the main cost will be come to our material. So how the material, whether it is indigenous, whether you are purchasing from India or if you are importing, so what will be the rate difference? Another, how you will make MRP for any kind of a product. So the role of cost accountant and a management will come when there is any new product come into the market. And nowadays there is a lot of competition. So in that way, where we can, we have to go with the quality also. If we are sacrificing quality, so in that way we have to go with the quality. We have to go with the what kind of inspection, what is the market trend going on. So in that way the cost accountant play an important role. Most two things, management consultancy work we have to manage. Number one, material cost we told. Number two, the most important part is the employee cost. What kind of a employee are working in a factory, we should understand. So that's the reason in a cost and management they segregated direct employee and indirect employee. Whoever working in the factory they called as a direct employee cost. So another way, indirect means who are working in the corporate offices. So like that, for example, HMTV or your TV channels, what I am seeing. So your TV channel also, how much per second you are charging the amount with the your advertiser. We are the cost accountant. With the per second we will give you the value. Wherever your costing is going, wherever what kind of assets you are purchasing. Because in that way, when you are making a media, you have a big assets is about your cameras. So that is your fixed cost. But every time you have to do your marketing, you have to go, traveling cost will be there. You have to spend the time. So that will come under the costing purpose.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ మోటో ఆఫ్ ది సీఎంఏ?
CMA main motto means it will be work in the cost and management to take out the MRP for each product, to reduce the cost, to give the market competition market. MRP will be done, and that is the two things now. In CMA, we are the cost accountant for the manufacturing product. See, there are the two rules I will tell you. Number one, have you ever seen a raw agent? We don't know where is the raw people. So cost accountant is a raw agent for the economy. So they are the play important role in the backside of that. As per our Modi ji is planning about 2047 to make a trillion. So we are the cost accountant to work out for that. So we are working all over India. We have a 5 lakh students in a year. In Hyderabad chapter, every year we get an admission of 6,000. And they are the, as soon a student qualified, they will get a job. For the 10 days we will train them. Here in the CMA we have the about student career I am telling. Foundation, inter and final. In the foundation, it is as soon they complete the intermediate they have to join. For graduation they will do simultaneously this thing. As soon they complete their CMA, the company will call them for their interview. And the minimum package what we are getting as per market, it is a 12 lakh they will get a minimum package as soon the student qualified the CMA. And the market is now going up and up everywhere. Why? Because of 2 to 3 things. Number one, we have to understand the economy. As our PM Modi ji has make a Make in India product, where what the company has to produce, manufacture everything in India only. So in that way, they have specified a certificate where cost accountant has to satisfy. So in that way, our market is becoming up and up by daily. So thanks to you. Further, if you want any kind, I will be there for.
సార్, హౌ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ వర్ ద స్టెప్పింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది సీఎంఏ అండ్ హౌ దే ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సీఎంఏ?
I will tell you the clarity. If the 100 student take, their passing percentage is only 7%. And if anyone is becoming qualifying CMA, cost and management accountant, they have to study minimum 10 to 12 hours. As soon they qualified, their life will be totally changed. Because before studies, there will be no responsibility. But when they qualified CMA, the market and the market value will want them to give us some good impact on the people. In the CMA also, we have a foundation 6 months. Intermediate, we have a 1 year. After 1 year intermediate, student has to go 15-month practical training with the cost accountant or the management training. So thanks to our management training, like we have a direct interview for ECIL, NMDC, BHEL, BDL. So they will directly recruit them. These are all the CMA students after completing the CMA inter. Then after CMA final, they have a 15 to 18 month of experience. They can go and work out. And the package minimum what we are thinking about as per the campus placement, it is about 12 lakh package they are getting. And student will have a good future. But the only thing is that they have to sacrifice their friends. They have to sacrifice the social media. But they have to do a lot of workout for the studies. Minimum 10 to 12 hours they have to study. Then only they will qualify the CM.
So finally, how you are feeling about these celebrations?
See, it is a very excitement celebration because it's my 6th year running as a managing committee of CMA Hyderabad chapter, as a secretary of CMA Hyderabad chapter. See, 60 year means we should understand the sacrifice done by our all the senior members. See, because when we become a managing committee of anyone, we have to take care of our office, we have to take care about our house, then we have to take care about our institute. So there is a lot of effort because what I have seen from my committee member as my chairperson, anyone or my chairman, vice chairman, secretary, treasurer, all the office bearer, they have to sacrifice their housework. As soon as they complete their office, they have to come to the institute to look out about because we have a regular program in the institute. And this 60th, whatever we are celebrating, because when I met with one of the senior member, he told Jalal, when we are there, we have given our own phone number landline to get the detail of the student. And Hyderabad chapter was before that we have to go and write the exam in Chennai for writing. Now we are very comfortably, we are writing everything in Hyderabad. Now we are reaching in a year 6,000 admission. And we have a 3 professional chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary. The cost and management accountant are getting a more number of admissions in the market. Because of this, all sacrifice done by the 60th, all the seniors of past chairmen, past committee members, all of them. Thanks to that, and believe or not, it is totally a very excitement program because all the efforts of a day and night. You are seeing this thing, but this has been planned 2 months back. Because for governor, because we have to schedule as per the governor. So governor has suddenly planned 15 days before we have to do. We are planning on 4th January, but he told no, I am available on 5th January. So it has been up and down. Then we have to change the auditorium. We have a lot of effort. Then we have some budget. So everything, it is an effort done by all our managing committee members.